You or someone you know have money in a money market, you're the reason why rates are going up. I'll show you why. So guys, here's the deal. Mortgage rates, unfortunately, for the last, again, week over week, check this out. Remember, this is bad. Red going down is muy mal, very bad. We don't like this. This is rates going up. Why, you ask? Well, what I was saying about the market, what's going on, rates are at 7% here according to Mortgage News Daily. Went on there and pulled 7.03. Investorpedia shows rates 7.36. Quicken Loans, Rocket Mortgage, they show 6.99. And by the way, if you're ever shopping with somebody at Rocket Mortgage, click this little legal disclosure down here. It'll show that you're going to pay 2 points in fees just to get that rate with 25% down. How they're the world's number one or the country's number one lender is beyond me, but it's expensive. All right, guys, here's why. Money markets, right? Money where you might put your money in and get 4% return, 4.5%, 5%. I have money in there. Well, that doesn't count as a bank deposit. And so when deposits go down in banks, like after Silicon Valley Bank and all these problems, people have taken their money away from banks. Rich people who got like a ton of money have taken some of the money out of the banks, right? Where are they putting it? They're putting it in other vehicles like a money market or something else. So in doing that, banks now need to raise money. How do they do that? They sell things that they own, like treasuries and mortgage-backed securities. So when they sell these treasuries, it makes rates go up because there's more supply than there is demand. So our rates have been going up because of this. So as money markets have gone up, you can see that as the deposits go down, banks now need to raise cash. And that's part of the reason why we've been going up. Plus the whole debt ceiling thing with our government's not helping out either. But guys, here's the good news. Inflation is the main driver of rates. If you'll notice this little non so squiggly line, the bottom one in the beginning, it goes up over time. That's inflation. Notice how it's come down. It's always the leading indicator. It goes up before rates go up. It comes down before rates go down. It's already started coming down. It will continue to come down. It may take a few more months, but it will be coming down soon. Home prices. I saw some stupid article saying it's going to crash. Guys, Zillow predicts, and we predicted somewhere between 4 and 5% appreciation this year. So on a $500,000 home, that's on 4% appreciation. That's 20 grand alone this year. So today's $500,000 home is next year's 520. So there's still a housing shortage. I know you're tired of hearing it. I'm tired of saying it, but it's true. Guys, here's the deal. The percentage of properties sold above list price. If you're in real estate, if you're a realtor right now, you're seeing it. If you're a home builder, I know you're already raising prices. Guys, we're having people with 19, 20, 23 offers on homes right now in certain markets. If the home's updated and priced right, it is moving quickly and it's getting back to the old school. So check out the graph on the left. Right now, over 30% of the homes are selling above the list price. I just think these are great charts. Days on the market, it's down, meaning the homes are selling faster. And then the percentage of homes sold in less than 1 month, also up to where it's like 70, I don't know what percent, but somewhere around 75% of homes are being sold in less than a month. That is wild. It's back to the summer selling season. Here's some more stats. Push pause if you want to see them. I think they're interesting. The first-time home buyers, they're 40% of all the mortgages with a transaction. That's wild to me. 29% of the market. Cash buyers, 28%. Investors is down to 17%. But this is great. Pause this if you want to use this for your own marketing. And lastly, it's no longer cheaper to buy a home than it is to rent. It used to be the case, but now only in 4 major cities. I think it's, Cleveland, Houston, Philadelphia, and Detroit are the only places where it's actually cheaper to own a home than to rent. Lastly, this is the feel-good story of the week. And technically, I think it's from a week ago, but I saw it just to put it on this week's. A college golfer, actually disqualified himself. I think he set a course record and said, hey, that doesn't count. Just kidding. Because he accidentally, unknowingly broke a rule of golf. And so the Bobby Jones, who's one of the great golfers of all time, the great Bobby Jones once he called a penalty stroke on himself when they said, hey, I remember hearing about this, like, oh, Bobby, you don't need to call it. Nobody. He goes, you may as well just praise me for not breaking into a bank. There's only one way to play this game. And I love it. So kudos to this college kid. Sorry, buddy. Course record, that doesn't count. Lastly, guys, let's get social. As always, please follow, subscribe, like, share, send this out to whoever you want. And guys, just remember, when you think mortgage, think Mark. Hope you have a great day and a great week, guys. Bye-bye.